We're seeing 22% off this trade right here, and we're still gonna do our absolute best to try to hold for more. We're seeing 45% gains. 45% gains. Very simple trade setup. The volume on the buyer, this candle is the breakout. My fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading vlog session where I show you guys what it's like to be a day trader. Currently it is January 3rd, 7:38 a.m. and I haven't took no trades just yet. It's only been about an hour in, and currently just watching the market as a whole. Now, the only trade that I'm looking at actually is AMD calls here pretty soon, but I got to make sure the market actually is going in that momentum, because currently right now SPY is not really going anywhere, but AMD itself looks like it wants to follow Nvidia's footsteps today, because Nvidia took the heck off today. I'll show you guys that as well. But let's have an awesome good day today, guys. Yesterday we made a good trade off SPX 150 off a single trade in 1 minute while we're at our parents' house, and today we got to go to our parents' house again. If AMD doesn't give me this setup, then we might have to take a trade again at our parents' house. So let me show you guys the setup of what I'm looking at right now. This is the whole market as a whole, not really doing too much, but Nvidia and AMD look pretty interesting. So Nvidia already had its run and it already took off, kind of just pulling back here a little bit. But AMD looks like it wants to also follow in its footsteps, since they are basically like brothers and they do move together. And AMD didn't have its breakout just yet, but it looks like it wants to go for that breakout. We got 5 more minutes for this 15-minute candle close, and if we get to close above where it's at right now, then I most likely will enter. The only issue is SPY is just going sideways. You guys can see that right here on the 15-minute time frame. It's not really doing much. And take this 5-minute entry right here, which I most likely probably will, because look at that 5-minute volume, guys. That thing is strong. So let's see how much these contracts can pull back to. They're only going for 84 a piece, which is not that much. So maybe I enter 2 of them and enter another 2 later. We're seeing 22% off this trade right here, and we're still gonna do our absolute best to try to hold for more. Only bought 2 of them. Unfortunately, wish I would have bought my full 4 entry. Currently up $41 on 25%, so we do need to shoot for a little bit more, which is what we're gonna try to shoot for. This 15-minute candle is actually about to close. Volume is very strong, and SPY is trying to push up a little bit, so it's very good in our favor. 32%. Got the nice 15-minute candle close above with strong volume, and we're gonna do our absolute best, guys, to try to hold for some more gains. I entered 1 more contract because it came back and pulled back to a little break and retest. We bought 1 more literally at the same contract price, so we're in for 3 contracts for 83 a piece. Let me show you guys. Yeah, 83, or about 1 of them actually for 86 and 2 of them for 81. So I have an average of 80. All right, my average is $83, so that's my average. And you guys can see we got a nice 15-minute candle break. I'm doing my absolute best to try to hold. SPY might break out here real soon too. So let's see what these contracts can print to, guys. Came down and literally went reversed on us. 27% L on this one, still in it. About to get a 5-minute candle close in 15 seconds. It's right at our stop loss. If it closes right above it, then obviously I'll still hold it, since it's bounced off the 90 MA. But if it closes below, then I gotta exit, guys. See, back to break even. SPY is currently trying to break out here, which is real amazing. And same thing with the whole market as a whole. Looks like it wants to push for 1 more time, which is perfect, because currently it's going to bring AMD back above our entry and see some nice gains, because we're currently back at profits, which is amazing. But obviously we need to see more, guys. Sold 3 of them at 27%, and we're in 1 last one, guys. We're gonna hold this last one runner. As you guys can see here, we sold 1 of them at 3 of them at 106, and we got in at $81 entry. So this one's still pushing up nice 21% gains. We're gonna do our best to hold this last runner, guys, because this one can go crazy by itself. I don't know how market's pulling back, but AMD's going crazy. Decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a stop loss right at entry price, so I'll never lose on this trade. So you guys can see here, this is how you make sure you never lose. So I have 1 last contract, correct? So I have 1 last contract, and what I will do is set it right at stop loss is set right at entry. Either way, I'm in profits no matter what. I'm still up 13%, and we just need these things to push through. Guys, so we're gonna head out. Timer's currently 8:23. We're still up 33% on this AMD calls here, guys. These things are going crazy. So we got it for 83 a piece. They're currently at 120, and market's going crazy here a little bit. So this is a very good trade that we're in, and we're gonna hold this as a runner. Everything's about to break out here, which is amazing. So that means market breaks out here. AMD already pushed, so we'll just get another push, which is amazing to hear. We're seeing 45% gains. 45% gains. AMD's going crazy, guys. We hopped in right, guys. Come on, this shit's going crazy. 45% here. Let's fucking go. We managed to close for a nice gain. Now these contracts did run to 160 after we got out, but you guys can see this is the only trade that we took. We bought them, 2 of them 81, another one on 86.
bought another one at 90 when they're going in our favor. And then we sold 3 of them at 106, the last one at 130, and they ended up going for an extra $30. Now, we are up on the day 111, as you guys can see. So very nice trade off AMD. And this was a setup, guys. So let's break it down real quick. Well, before I go help my mom. So very simple trade setup, guys. I mean, come on. It's in the Discord, and I wish I can show you guys, but maybe if I go on my laptop at home. But the volume on the buyer 1 hour was so greater than any of these days previously before. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take a call on the breakout of that trend. Obviously, we never broke out on the first 15-minute candle, although it did come to that trend as well as it did come to that call level, but we never got a breakout. This candle is the breakout. So we entered. Now, it did pull back negative 30, 20-ish%, but we managed to collect a nice 50% gains off this trade. So very good trade. Very good trade. Obviously, it ran for more a little bit, and it still is going, but we're going to end it there, guys. We managed to turn $249 into $111 gains. So that's actually a very good trade, to be honest. Almost, it is half, right? I don't even know, guys. I don't know my math like that. I didn't graduate high school, but we fucking killed it. So second day down, we killed it. Unfortunately, I didn't do a vlog yesterday, guys, but we made $150 off SPX in 1 single minute. Now, I've been helping my parents out, and I'm here again, over here, doing some mailers for my mom, and so I'm working out of her house, which is real nice. Actually, my dad's house, it's really nice and big. I'm gonna show you guys here real soon, but we're gonna end it there. Yesterday was a quick 1 minute trade. Literally took SPX calls from $400 to $550, sold in and out. Wish I would have held because they ended up going to $800 1 minute later. Hope you guys have been killing it this January. We have been killing it in the Discord. And guys, if you guys want to join, free Discord, over 230 members in the Discord. Everybody has been eating every single day. Trade ideas, economic news tabs, earning report tab. Guys, you guys get all the sauce. I'm dropping what I'm entering, what I'm looking at, things I'm eyeing for. Come on, guys. Free. Link in my bio. Join the Discord. It's literally free. Learn option trades, and I hope to see you guys in it. I hope you guys have been having fun. I hope you guys been killing it. Now, let's get this day started. Let me show you guys my parents' house, and then we're gonna end the vlog there. Massive cranium domium.